Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable do not track feature option on your web browser. So if you are using Google Chrome browser or if you are using Microsoft Edge browser. So nowadays guys, many Windows PC user are using only these two web browser normally. Okay, first I am going to show you how to enable in Google Chrome. Just open the Google Chrome browser on your PC like this, click on three dots and scroll down, find out the settings and open it like this. In these settings guys, from the left panel you need to open privacy and security, and in the right panel open third-party cookies like this. Okay, and then scroll down, here you can get the option send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Just need to enable this and click on confirm. Now your browser will not track your activities. Okay, so this is for Google Chrome browser. Now let's see how to enable it on the Microsoft Edge browser. So first open the Edge browser on your PC like this. Same thing, open the settings of your browser, and in the settings go to privacy, search and services, and then in the right panel scroll down and find out send do not track request. Just you need to enable this option from here. That's it. Okay, so now your Edge browser will also not track your activities. Okay, so that's about it guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.